Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the complete plastic kit for the KLR650 from Polisport. Alright, so if you have a KLR650 and you're in need of some plastics for it, well, Polisport's got you covered. Now, I hate to admit it, but here at Rocky Mountain we've had our fair share of crashes and tip-overs on the KLR, and every time that our plastics have been in pretty rough shape, well, we've used the Polisport complete plastic kit. So a couple cool features about these is it comes with the full kit. Okay, they're injection molded plastic for OEM fitment, and also the front fender has updated styling, so it just gives a cool look to your KLR as well. So I say full kit, so what that means, it's gonna come with everything you're gonna need. So you're gonna have your tank shrouds, your front fender, your side panels, as well as the rear fender. So I've actually got one here I will show you. So this is gonna be the left side tank shroud. So like I said earlier, injection molded, so OEM fitment, you're gonna see you have the foam on the inside. That's gonna go against the tank. So that's gonna prevent you from scratching up the tank. Now as for the front fender, grab that here. So with the front fender, I mentioned, has a little bit more updated styling, so you see it has more of that aggressive look to it. You're gonna have these red little plates on top. It's gonna come with multiple. That's gonna give universal mounting. And another cool feature about this front fender, it has their UFX free flow system. So you can see lots of cutouts on the back of the fender. That way, it's not blocking any airflow that's gonna get to your radiator. So that's just gonna help you keep your bike running cooler. So as I mentioned, front fender, tank shrouds, side panels, and also your rear fender as well. And I didn't mention price point. Much cheaper than getting OEM plastics, so it's gonna save you a lot of money as well. A couple other things that I do want to point out is you can see we do have graphics available for this bike, and we do offer those in multiple colorways. And lastly, if you're like us and you learn the hard way, we do have crash bars available on our website for the KLR650. So if you want to protect your investment, protect your plastics, not a bad idea to pick up some of those crash bars. All right, so there it is. That is the complete plastic kit from Polisport for the KLR650. Leave your comments below, and to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just remember that everything we talked about today is machine specific, so use our parts finder. Enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike on our homepage. Scroll down, you're going to see the plastic kit. You'll see the graphics as well as all the crash bars that we carry for the KLR650. Remember guys, that orders over $75 ship free. If you like this little spotlight, you want to see more like it, along with our adventure rides that we document, our bike builds, and our how-to videos, well, make sure you click and subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.